Yes guys, welcome back to a new vlog. So I actually didn't get to do an intro for you guys this morning, well, because I didn't expect to do a vlog today, let's put it that way, because I came this side to actually meet up with someone who bought a DN Sports hoodie, because I said in one of my videos that I'll actually deliver it to you guys if you're in Cape Town. So we decided to meet up so I can give him the hoodie at the V&A, and turns out that there are two McLarens there, a SLR and a 720S. Both together. So I go and show him these cars, obviously because we're into cars, and as we get there, the owners are busy leaving, so we're like, okay, cool, we can get some action of them pulling away. So then we get ready to take videos and pictures or whatever, and then the owner's like, well, hop in. And we're like, what? Anyway, the video will run from there, so yeah, let's just head to the actual video now.
And I thought,
okay, that's nice. It's a beautiful day for it.
yeah, it's not too hot or anything. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Stunning day. I mean, before the season gets too cold,
Yeah, exactly.
or too miserable.
It's a bit noisy on the journey. We drove up to Neisner for the car show, and it was.
Oh yes, I remember seeing your car there the one year.
And especially my wife's with me. She's a bit of a speed freak, and she's pushing me to go quicker.
Yeah, well, in the 720, I mean, that thing moves.
Yeah, she's pushing it. She pushes.
Yeah, this is more of a brute than
Yeah.
a hypercar like that. This is so sick. Nothing better than rolling together.
Sorry?
Nothing better than rolling together. Makes quite a statement, especially husband and wife, Can I just say, I really applaud how nice you are and how just genuine you are as a car person, because we all share the same passion.
I said to you the first met you, I love cars at your age. I love them.
I'm obsessed with them,
Yeah,
absolutely obsessed.
I love cars, and if somebody else likes them, I'm just pleased to share with them.
No, 100%.
We've got a real garage full of cars, and I just enjoy it.
Pop the ticket, yeah. Thank you.
We go to the side, we can drop you off there.
Yeah, no, it's fine. Let's go.
Is he cool? You pal in the back?
Yeah, no, he's with me, yeah, so he's fine. We actually came out today just to have a look at a few cars.
Yeah.
Because that's what we do. We're kind of like car spotters.
Yeah.
There we go.
Thank you, so we can give you a little bit.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. That is so loud. What?
I'm sure it's needed.
Yo. So special.
As long as you're polite and respectful, then it's cool, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, it's the London car scene that actually got me into car spotting, and I didn't know that it was actually possible here in Cape Town until I actually gave it a go.
Yeah.
And you see so many guys driving around with their supercars and sports cars around here. This is brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant. I mean, yeah, some of them, they do give you a bit of stick, when you take your camera out and take a picture or whatever.
I can't get my head around that one.
No, neither can I. You're driving these cars.
Come on,
what do you?
Yeah, don't say. I'll draw attention to yourself. I wouldn't drive this, would I?
Yeah, no, exactly.
I drive a Polo.
Yeah, I know exactly. That's the whole thing. That's the whole thing. That's why I say, people like you, it makes it so much more special.
go to red. Maybe. Red. There you go. I bet she's switching switches now. She's turning switches. She's doing this now. She's just doing what? She's just the what? The dash has gone. Look, the dash has just turned. See the dash go.
Oh, she's ready to go.
Should
The rear just lights up. Yeah, no, that's just lights up the rear. Oh my word, it's so loud, it's crazy. That's crazy. Wow.
lucky.
Well, I know you didn't even try.
So I remember that you said to me that this was brought in and it was only supposed to be here for around 2 years.
That's right, and because of the COVID,
Yeah.
I extended it.
Okay.
I'm done now. It's going October.
Oh, is it going October?
Well, only for
Okay.
a year. I
Okay.
want to bring some other cars.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, no, definitely.
I'm bringing some more McLarens.
Okay. Like some of the newer stuff?
Yeah,
or?
yeah, you'll
Okay.
see. You'll see.
Alright. Awesome. Looking forward to that. That'll be awesome. It's amazing how it can actually just go silent, and it just wakes up.
Oh, cracking! It sets alarms up and everything.
Yeah, no,
The neighbours bloody hate you, no.
I caught a video of you coming into the V&A, and just all the alarms got set off that one day. I remember that was quite a few years ago. Oh, this car's hilarious. I'm sure you get maximum joy out of this thing.
Yeah, I do. I enjoy it. And it was a nice journey buying it. We bought it in New York, and that was quite sexy. I can't go in the car park. I'm too low. Can we park here? We're coming for lunch. Thank you.
Ah. Okay. Well, that was something. Just need to guide him here. Come. Stop. There you go. Pretty mental scenes here. Did not expect that. Yeah. Did not expect that. And I didn't expect to vlog either. I'm just vlogging this because, I mean, what an experience, guys. And Matthews here was a fan of the channel, actually bought a DN Sports hoodie, and that's why we met up. And he ended up in the passenger seat as well. Pretty insane. How about that? So a list of things I didn't expect to do today. Number one, get a ride in supercars, and number two, vlog, and yet here we are. Probably going to do a little bit of spotting then now after this, you know, since I'm here and since it is a good day. But yeah, I mean, these cars aren't local. These are this SLR is from the UK, and that 720 is from Germany. And funny enough, the husband is from the UK and the wife is from Germany, so this is a pretty good husband-wife combo. Pretty insane. So yeah, let's do a bit of spotting now. And here is a 430 Spider in the traffic at the V&A here. Very busy here actually today. This 430 looks very nice. Lovely interior as well. I can see that it's like tan or beige. this is pretty cool. Second 720S of the day. This one looking rather stealthy in black, with contrasting silver wheels, looking very nice. This is the same one that I helped Simon Lakov shoot a few weeks back. Looking very, very good. Parked up here. Needs a bit of wash. Alex, I know you're watching. Need to give him a bit of a bath there. But yeah, pretty cool.
I have to talk to him. It's my birthday. I have to talk to this guy. Seriously. I'm not gonna leave. I have to talk to this guy. Seriously, my
Let us
brother.
go to the bank
Yeah.
to look how much it do.
You, this guy,
This one.
this McLaren. You know, my brother's son.
McLaren.
Not me, not my son. My brother's son admire a car like this.
Yeah, no, we also like cars like this. That's why we're here. Just have a look at it, you know, just enjoy it. Very nice F8 Spider by the looks of it. Oh, it's getting blocked by a car. Wait for it, wait for it. Looking very good there. And there she goes. RS6. Well, hello again. That time the roof is down. Lovely 991.2 turbo. And on that note, I think I'm going to end the vlog here, gents. I didn't really intend this to be a spotting vlog or anything. I just really wanted to show you guys the SLR, which was quite insane. Quite insane. And I did actually fail to mention that that was a Mansory kit with a RENNtech exhaust and tune. So yeah, but I was just too in the moment to talk to you guys about that. But yeah, anyways, see you guys on the next video. Cheers.